Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And by the grace of Allah, we are having a very good time. So as you can see, we have come here different place. Can you guess where we are? I think you are not able to guess this place. So let me break it down. Actually, where is it located? It's located at Bogundufur Chabang, right? Bogundufur Tea Garden. It's called Bogundufur Tea Garden, and the place is actually beautiful. So right now we are having to talk about a very crucial topic. So Mahmoud, can you mention what is the name of this topic?
Thank you very much. Today we are going to talk about why we should travel for actually practicing our English language as well as for actually removing our tension. Why we should travel.
Okay, thank you so much. So I'm going to ask you some question that why we should travel different types of place. Can you please tell me?
Yeah, absolutely. So we should travel for different reasons. So among them, I would like to mention some reasons, and that is if you think you are trying to learn English, but in your areas you don't get any objects or things which is you can practice, you can use for practicing. So at that time you can travel different types of places, and after coming different types of places, you can just try to describe the natural beauty that you can see. For example, behind us you can see there are many trees out there, and there is also tea garden, which is the color is green, right? So this is really popular tea in our country, and many people they actually have tea together. So like this way you can practice your English. So I think for this
So
reason,
I think should you think by traveling we will be able to learn English?
yes, absolutely. When we have come here, so by coming we was practicing, as well as when we see something, we try to say, "What is this?" Oh, this is called like this one. So we try to say, and after coming here, right now we are removing our tension, and we are seeing that actually Allah Subhanahu wa Taala how He has created this. Actually, you can say dunya. So how actually this dunya look like? So we can see, and after coming here, so we feel like saying subhanallah, because this place is really mind blowing. So if we won't come, so how we can understand? So for this reason I think by coming, by traveling any places, we can actually practice our English, as well as we can see the natural beauty of Bangladesh. So gradually we are trying to travel. Already how many places we have traveled?
Oh, I think I don't know. Maybe more than 10.
Okay, can you please mention some places
Yeah.
name?
Okay. So first of all, it's called Bogandapur Tea Garden. Already
Yes.
we have visited, I can say. And next one is the Ratanpur Tea Garden. It's called. I don't know what is the name of this hill. Yes, Ranganandan Hill. And another one is Shatchuri Tea Garden and Teliapara Tea Garden. And also Jagadishpur Tea Garden. So there are so many tea gardens are available, so, right? And we are thinking to go distance for more distance to visit somewhere. I think.
Oh, we are very exhausted. We are feeling exhausted by watching tea garden, right?
Right,
Because
right.
of in our whole traveling, we are visiting tea garden again and again.
Whenever
Yeah.
we go, we see the tea garden. Oh my God! Actually,
Yes.
mind blowing.
So, what do you think about traveling? Actually, for the students who are learning English, should they travel any places? It might be so close or so far. So,
Okay,
what's
thanks.
your opinion?
Thank you so much. Let me clarify one thing that when we was child, when we read class 5 or 6, at that time we got important of traveling. Right.
Yes.
Later, some composition like phrases. So we learn so many things like how we can overcome by traveling, how we can remove our shyness, and how we remove our tension by traveling different types of place. And traveling gives us which that is by using we can build a strong mindset in our life, and the mindset will be healthy, will be helping us to go ahead, I think. And by traveling you will learn so many things, different types of way, and you will learn about people, about the society, about the places, how is it look like, and what is their culture, how they are making their life, how are they are going about their life, and you will learn so many things, and you will be, I think you will be you will exhaust sorry you will adjust about their self, and you will have a good conception, you will be taking a good conception about their real life. So I think it might be good for your life in the future if you want to go ahead.
Yeah. So after coming here, we have seen actually in this areas people they are leading different life, right?
Different life, and look like the place actually they are cultivating something from here
Yeah.
there, but right now there is no anything, so that's
Okay.
why.
So I think there is a house you can see over there, but I don't know where is the market from where actually they try to collect something like foods, something like that.
Yes,
So how they,
it's much difficult, I
yeah,
can say.
maybe they go to the next,
Jagadishpur,
yeah,
yeah.
Jagadishpur market for buying something.
So can you guess how much far from here to Jagadishpur market?
Yeah,
Actually,
it's
their
so
life
far,
is too
but
difficult.
actually how they go, I don't know. I think they,
I think probably they take something from the natural beauty, like fishes, some fishes in the pond, and like different types of vegetables from here, and they're cultivating right now. So I think by this way, actually.
okay, so those are watching our videos. You can actually let me know in the comments below how, where is it located. We have already mentioned.
Yeah, and how
So
is it look like to
yeah.
see?
So what do you think? Should you also travel like us so that you can upgrade your English journey by practicing here?
Yeah.
So I think that's all.
That's
About.
all about. Assalamu
So,
alaikum.
assalamu alaikum.